guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you journal or scrapbook? Well, I have the perfect product for you that I absolutely love.
This set has so many things in it, from all of the paper you can choose from, which is what I start with to pick my background. Then all the different envelopes has stickers and different papers. Some are lightweight, some are heavier. So I go through each envelope, see what I like, and then I put it down on the background, organize it, cut it. There are some die cuts in there. Also some line paper. I love all the different patterns and versatility.
So this is a perfect starter set if you are new to journaling or scrapbooking like myself. I also feel like it's a great one if your kids want to get involved in scrapbooking or journaling. I also think that if you are a journaler and you've been journaling, that the quality is there, so you would also really love this product. As you can see, mine has been well loved so far, and I just love it so much. So I would definitely recommend this product to you guys. And that's my point of view.